Let's face it, folks, in the business world, your computer's hard drive is probably as overwhelmed as you are. Overflowing folders, mysterious files with cryptic names, it's enough to make anyone nostalgic for the days of the carrier pigeon, and I hate to say that. But listen up, there's a way out of this document disaster zone. It's called ZOHO Workdrive, and it's about to become your secret weapon for conquering the chaos you're experiencing in your business right now. Before you start thinking it's just another cloud storage solution like Google Drive or Dropbox, hear me out. Don't get me wrong, Google Drive is great for personal stuff, but businesses, ZOHO Workdrive is built with teamwork in mind. Think of it as a secure central hub for all your business's files, whether that's estimates, contracts, photos, blueprints, you name it. It can live in Workdrive. Here's the best part though. Collaboration is a breeze. No more emailing files back and forth a million different times, whether it's with your accountant or Sally that's just a desk away from you. With Workdrive, your entire team can access, edit, and share files in real time. Now imagine the time you'll save. There's no more hunting down the latest version of a document or wondering who made that mysterious edit that changed the document forever 2 years ago. And security, ZOHO takes it seriously. Your files are encrypted, access is controlled, and you can even track who's doing what with your documents. So you can sleep soundly knowing that your business information is safe and secure. One of my favorite features about Workdrive is your ability to download an application. You can sync it to your computer. That's great. That's one thing. A lot of tools have that. But what a lot of tools don't have is there's another downloadable application, whether it's a Mac or a PC, but it's going to let you open a file on your computer, let you edit it, and it will automatically save it. So let's say, for example, you have an AutoCAD file, or maybe it's a code file, whatever it is on the cloud that you tend to access. What it's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to open that file right then and there on your computer, and every time you make an edit, it's actually going to save it. So the old way was you have to download the file from the cloud. Then you have to open the file, then you have to edit the file, then you have to save the file, and then you have to upload it back to the cloud. Essentially, this cuts all that out. The tools, when you download it, it allows you to open applications on your computer for that file type if that program is installed on your computer. So again, if you have AutoCAD, you can open up an AutoCAD file in ZOHO Workdrive, and it's going to open on your computer using the application on your computer, and then it's going to automatically save it. Now, I know that is a mouthful, but it is a really cool feature that if you're in and out of documents all the time, even if you're in PDFs, you need to mark up PDFs, add things to PDFs, it's going to save you a ton of time by allowing you to open it up, edit it, and save it right then and there. So you don't have to worry about re-uploading it and handling all of the file stuff that typically comes with this type of operation. As you can tell, ZOHO Workdrive isn't just about storage and security. It's actually about streamlining your workflow. But here's another bonus perk. ZOHO Workdrive integrates seamlessly with all the ZOHO applications that are out there. So whether you're in CRM or projects, it means you can connect your files to your customer data or to your projects, creating them in a one-stop shop for all your business needs. This makes it really easy to know where to find files when you're hunting for them. They don't live in emails anymore. They don't live in this folder or that folder. And so when Jason asks you about the Smith contract, all you have to do is navigate to the Smith folder that contains all the files for that job, no matter what tool you're in, because they're all going to be there. You're not losing files anymore, so you're saving time and energy knowing exactly where all your info is stored. Switching to a new system can feel daunting. Trust me, I know. ZOHO Workdrive is as user-friendly and easy to set up as it gets. There is no IT degree required, I can guarantee you that. So if your computer is on the verge of a nervous breakdown, and your team's drowning in a sea of digital clutter, it's time for a change. ZOHO Workdrive offers a secure, collaborative, and efficient solution that can transform the way your business works. If you're interested in learning more about how Clientric can help you implement ZOHO solutions for your business, don't hesitate to reach out. There are links to connect with us right here on the screen, as well as in the description down below. And if you are a power user of ZOHO Workdrive, we'd love to hear your experience with it so far. Tell us about the good, the bad, and the ugly. We may be a little biased, but we love to hear people's feedback, how they're using it, and how people have solved solutions within the ZOHO infrastructure. So if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content on tools and trends in the industry. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.